Hello, this is another review. I don't have a studio. I just have a one-bedroom apartment with a bunch of things on the wall. As you can see behind me, that's just one wall. And then I got another wall, a whole bunch of things all over it. So, not professional, just a good homey video. Yes, I wear my hat most of the time, not because I'm bald. You know, when you go duck hunting, you don't take a cannon, you know? You don't want to use a cannon to do duck hunting. In other words, you don't want to do overkill. You don't want to take too much. And being that I'm a disabled veteran with mobility issues, sometimes around the house, you have a little touch-up job to do. A little touch-up here, a little touch-up there. And lugging around or using a $200 or $300 vacuum is like taking a cannon to go duck hunting. So I was looking through Amazon, and I found that little device. I thought, well, it looks pretty cool. It looks like something I could use. And it was a little device that when I got it, I tried it out, and I'm really impressed with it. That's why I'm doing this review. It's this. Let me turn this around here. Okay, it's this little Dirt Devil VersaClean, all put together. It breaks down into 3 pieces. It came in 3 pieces. And I'll show you how this does. You press this little button here, and the handle comes out. And then it comes also come out of here. I'm trying to do this while holding this in one hand. You can take this out. You see? You can take this out, and then you can press this button, and the handle comes out. And then you just use this like this. But there's another deal here. You see this here? You can flip this up, and now you got a crevice device. You see? So you got a little crevice device you could use, and little corners and things like this. You know how you use a crevice device. I don't have to teach you how to use a crevice device. So it's got this little crevice device here, snaps back into place. It's got this handle that you can take the handle out, and the cord goes in the back of this. So what you would have is just a little device like this that you could use. And then you just stick this back into here, and understand I'm trying to do this with one hand, people. Okay, stick this back into here, and there you go. Okay, now I'm really kind of impressed with how this thing works, and what a good job it does. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute. Okay, this is one of the 2 litter boxes I have in my apartment for my cats. And sometimes, when they use a litter box, they'll kick some sand out through the opening. And instead of using a big $200 vacuum cleaner, this is a little touch-up job. So the on-off switch is right. Let's see, right here. Here's the on-off switch. Here's where you release the handle. Here's the on-off switch. Do a little touch-up. And then I can do this. Then, once I separate from this, I turn this back on again. Now, as you can see, I gotta wash this thing, and it just comes out. It's just a little deal that slides out, so I gotta wash it. But the deal is, I'm not using a $200 vacuum. And then I just take this, fold this, this pops back out. Again, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, that folds up. And I got this piece here. And all I do is slip this back into here. And I've got my little VersaVac again. It's good for little touch-up jobs where you don't have to. It's really light. It's only a few, 3-4 pounds. It's not really much at all. What I am impressed with is that there gets dust on the rug, and you can't see the dust. I mean, I can't see it. You're looking at this video. I'm here right here with the rug, and I can't see a lot of the dust, but I'm impressed with how much it picks up. Let me show you. This part comes apart here, okay, so that you can get in here and get this out of here. I want you to look at the dust it picks up. It's not so bad. That's because I vacuumed it yesterday. But what I got yesterday was unbelievable. I mean, I couldn't believe the dust I got. And look inside here. See all that in there? That's a lot of stuff in there. Okay? I don't know how well you can see that. But there's a lot of stuff in there. And this little thing here caught a lot of dust. Yesterday was, I couldn't believe all the dust it caught. And I cleaned it up and put it back together. And you're gonna see, we're gonna go over here and dump this into my automatic trash can. Okay. And there we go. Thank you, trash can. This Versavac, this Dirt Devil, as it's called, comes with a 16-foot cord too. 16 foot, so you can go pretty good distance with it. 16-foot cord. So I'm really kind of impressed with the thing. 25 bucks, good deal. Light, easy for me to carry around, and it does a nice job. It's not taking a Canon to a duck hunt. You know what I mean? You can have a $200-300 vacuum, but when you just have little touch-up jobs to do, that little Dirt Devil works just great. Works fine. It's good. And it's not a battery operated, because the battery, you have one of those battery operated things, after a while, the battery starts draining down and draining up. But this is AC, it's 110 volts. So it's good. It really has good suction. I've noticed that it's picked up a lot of stuff off my carpet. And I usually use it for touch-up jobs. For the really good cleaning, I have a $200 vacuum. So I just wanted to pass it on, saying that this little Dirt Devil, I'm pretty impressed with it. Oh, let me show you my shirt today. That's my shirt. So anyway, there's another little review for you. It's really difficult to try to do reviews with only one hand, I don't have anybody to hold the camera while I'm doing this. So, I hope it's okay for you. If you like it, if you think this is a good idea, or if you like the video, you like whatever, pop a like up there or give a comment. Okay? Thank you. I hope you all have a better 2021 than the 2020. Take care now.